For this assignment, you are going to be writing a short paragraph or essay, whatever you want to call it, about a memorable vacation. Memorable vacation. Okay, so we're going to start with a draft, meaning you're going to lay out what you want to say, either using bullets in Microsoft Word. We are using Microsoft Word. You're going to open a new document, and we're going to either use bullets or numbers. Up to you. It does not matter. All you need to do is click on one to start, or if you want to use the numbers, you're going to click on the numbers and you're going to start listing your ideas. So here I have a short list of my ideas. Okay, every time you want to add something new, you just hit enter, and it will automatically add either a bullet or a number. If you have a bullet or a number that is extra, so I don't really want this here anymore, I'm going to go back up here to my numbering and click on the down arrow and click on none. Here is my short list of things that I want to include. Now, of course, we're going to read all the directions before we start. So after I read my directions, I know I'm going to write this up. Then I'm going to start formatting my page. So the first thing I'm going to type after I get out of my list is I'm going to type my name. And then I'm going to align that text to the right. So I'm going to go up here to my home tab and click on right. I'm going to hit enter, go to the next one, type in the date. Today is November 27th. It might not be November 27th when you view this. It's also aligned to the right. We're going to type in your class, so whichever section you are in. Okay, and now we're going to skip 2 lines, and we're going to center our paragraph, our alignment. And that does not look centered to me, but we're going to, let's try that one more time. You know what? I just noticed that my margins are totally off. Okay, let me fix that. Good. So now I'm going to center and I'm going to put on my title. So my title will be whatever my memorable vacation is. So I'm going to write, I'm just going to write parasailing because that's what I decided that I'm going to write about. Okay, we're going to do all the formatting after. And now we're going to hit enter. We're going to put our cursor to the left side. And now we're ready to start typing our paragraph. So now I'm going to take everything that I wrote here and write my paragraph. Okay, we see I have my whole paragraph written. You should have one of the first things that you did, which I neglected to mention, is that you should have saved this right away. File, save as, in your document folder with your first and last name and vacation. That should be saved. So after you finish typing your whole paragraph, you should be clicking on save to make sure that everything is saved. Now we are going to reread our work. If you want to share it with a friend, have your friend read it. Make sure you have capitals, no spelling mistakes, no errors. Now you're ready to start formatting. So we are going to first of all hit Control A. What Control A does is it selects all. Everything will be selected. You're going to change your font size to 12, so either using the numbers or the up arrows. You're going to change it to Times New Roman. Okay, that's number 1. Then you're going to pick one sentence in this story that is important to you and underline it. So I'm just going to pick this one and I'm going to hit underline or Control U. Then you're going to select 3 words that are important to the story and make them bold and red. So let's say I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to do this one. Now, what am I doing? I'm holding down Control, and holding down Control, I could select multiple words, and I'm going to bold it and change the pen color. Okay, so we have 3 words in red. Then I'm going to select one color and give it a glow effect. So I'm going to select this one, for example, go back up here to my font, to the last one, glow, and you could pick any of the glows. That is up to you. Next, we are going to go back to our plural title here. We're going to underline it, and we're going to increase the size to 16, actually 18. Then we are highlighting a different sentence that's important in your story. So you really have to think about what you wrote here. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to the highlighter. You can change the highlighter color. That's up to you. I don't care what color you use. Now we are going to make one word that is important to your story italicized and 16. So I like this word because I like that activity. So I'm going to make it 16 and italicized. Last but not least, you are going to make one sentence in your story blue. So I'm going to pick this one here, and I'm going to change my font to blue, any shade of blue. I don't really care. You can pick your own. That is just fine. That's it for our formatting. Now, you're going to add in 5 pictures. So you're going to open up Google Chrome. You're going to go to K9 Safe Search, and you're going to click on the left side rather, to images. You're going to find pictures. I wrote about parasailing. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click on it to enlarge. I'm going to be very patient while it opens. You're going to download. Oh, it did not want to work. Let's see if it works. Otherwise, we'll go back and click a different picture. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's see if it actually loads. You're going to save 5 pictures to your pictures folder, and then you're going to import them. Now, I don't think this one wants to behave, so let's pick a different one and see if that works. We're a little bit slow, but we have to be patient. That's all we could do. So, we're going to have the pictures. Once the pictures, we are just having no luck today. Okay, hopefully you will have more luck. That's what I'm hoping. So I'm going to assume that I did 5 pictures. Okay? Oh, Mazel Tov. Okay? I'm going to save as. Right click, save as. I'm going to make sure that I'm in my pictures folder. And it says parasailing. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Now, I'm going to go back to my Word. I'm going to insert all 5 pictures. So let me make sure I'm in my pictures folder. And I'm going to go to parasailing. Okay, it should be that one, but let's just scroll down and make sure that it's actually here. Did anyone see it? Because I didn't. Okay. Not here. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a different picture. Hopefully you will have better luck than me. Oh, it saved a folder. Fascinating. Okay, well, let's say this was the picture. I'm going to click on my picture. I'm going to put all 5 in. On my pictures toolbar, I'm going to go to wrap text and in front of text. I'm going to move my pictures, 4 pictures in the corner of the page, okay, and 1 to the right of your title. You're going to add in 5 different effects to your 5 different pictures. One's going to have an artistic glow, one's going to have picture style effect, a shadow, a reflection, or a glow. Okay, we did this already with our certificates, so you all should be able to do that. All of these options are in here. Okay, like I said, you're going to make sure that you did text wrapping. And one thing that I forgot to mention, I'm going to go all the way back here, is that when you are formatting your words on your home tab, you should change your paragraph to remove space after paragraph, okay, from your title over here also. Please make sure you remove that. Okay, when you're all done, you have 4 pictures around and a picture here. Please save to your documents and save a copy to Linkstation to your class folder with a folder called Memorable Vacations. Good luck.